National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor. Nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City. Open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 11 a.m. At 9 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles northeast of McHenry to 19 nautical miles northwest of O'Hare Airport to 8 nautical miles northwest of Elgin, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Michigan City, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KWO